Hey guys, so we have official confirmation. Apple is now working on iOS 17.4.1. According to Mac Rumors on their website logs, they found devices visiting the site with the new update 17.4.1. Now, a lot of users continue to report issues with iOS 17.4. So in this video, I want to talk about some of those issues, perhaps some of the things that Apple could be addressing with 17.4.1, and when we can expect this update to be rolling out for iPhone users. So let's go ahead and dive right into this one. So first things first, to note, Apple will not be beta testing this one. Typically when it's a 0.1 update, Apple just releases the update for everyone at the same time. So just keep in mind that this will not be going through any beta cycles or anything like that. This software update should be available here shortly, and we'll talk about the expected release dates here in just a few seconds. But the first thing I want to talk about is some of those issues that iPhone users continue to report with the latest iOS 17.4, and I want to start off with freezing issues. A lot of users continue to report freezing issues when unlocking their iPhones, when launching applications, with animations. Now, I've experienced two freezing issues with my iPhone running 17.4. That was twice. When I went to unlock my iPhone, it was frozen for a few seconds. It stuttered, but other than that, I haven't encountered any issues when launching apps or scrolling through the software. Everything else is buttery smooth. But yeah, I did encounter twice the issue where I went to unlock my iPhone right after reboot, and I saw sort of a stutter, a small glitch there, but nothing else, nothing major on my part. But if you encounter any freezing issues, I would like to hear from you in those comments down below. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is also AirPods. There's been various reports of AirPods enabling features without users wanting to. So for example, if you put your AirPods in your ear, it will mute the AirPods on its own, or the microphone for the AirPods, the volume will go up and down automatically or on its own. It is something weird that a lot of users continue to report, where AirPods are just doing their own thing without users actually, controlling the AirPods themselves. So an unusual behavior with AirPods is being reported on 17.4. Now, my best guess, this has got to do with AirPods firmware issue other than just iOS 17.4, but it could be a combination of both, and hopefully with 17.4.1, we'll see some type of clarification in regards to the AirPods behavior. Now, the next thing I want to talk about, and this ties to AirPods as well, is Bluetooth issues. Now, personally, I haven't encountered any Bluetooth issues myself, but some users report that Bluetooth is just not solid, not stable enough on 17.4. Some users report that the AirPods continue to disconnect, other accessories continue to disconnect from Bluetooth. I haven't encountered this issue, but again, it is something that is being reported in regards to iOS 17.4, and hopefully 17.4.1 would answer some of these questions. Now, the last thing I want to talk about, and most importantly for me, is battery life. I continue to hear some users, not a widespread issue, but I continue to hear some users having poor battery life running 17.4. Now, if you're one of those users with poor battery life, I would like to hear from you in those comments down below, because for me, iOS 17.4 battery life is actually pretty good. It's been pretty solid so far. I get through my entire day. As you can see right there from this graph, I am a heavy user. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, as you can see from here. I also run a lot of Safari right there, X, social media, and things like that, and I get through my entire day just perfectly. But again, if you're having battery drain issues or your battery performance is just not good enough, I would like to hear from you in those comments down below, and please let me know which devices, if you're encountering issues with poor battery life on your iPhone. Now, with all that being said, hopefully a lot of these things, or all of these things, could be addressed with 17.4.1. Aside from, of course, we'll see security patches and things of that nature. When can we expect 17.4.1? Well, as I mentioned, this software will not see any beta testing at all, and Apple could release any moment now. But my best guess is that Apple will release next week. So on the week of the 18th, Apple could release as early as the 15th this Friday, okay? So just keep in mind that this software could be available any moment now, to be honest. But my best guess is on the week of the 18th next week, available to everyone worldwide without any beta testing. Again, this is only a 0.1 update for security and bug fixes. Thank you for watching this quick update. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.